Hello, and today I'm going to tell you how to make your own Raspberry Pi Zero or Raspberry Pi 3 B Plus powered 3D printer. So first you'll need a 3D printer, of course, and a Pi Zero or a Pi 3 or 4. So over here, like this one I was just coming to show. So this is a 3D printed little USB stick holder. I use it to store all my projects and stuff. So if you want to know how to 3D print it, the file is in the description. So right now we have this hooked up to a Pi Zero. Right now the Pi 3 is not running. I tested on Pi 3 and it works perfectly. Well, not really, like the software is working, but I haven't really tested it with my Ender 3. So, basically, if I just, right now, I need something to hook up. So, I don't want to pull this off because it took a long time to flash it, so I don't want to waste it. So right now, you can see everything goes onto the terminal, and if I log on, I can go to octopi.logo. Do this. It's starting. See? It's on. Because, yes, I still need to log in for it to work. Because, yeah, sometimes never has supported Pi 0, Pi 3. Yeah. So right now I have a Pi 3. But I can just update now. Okay, I'll just update right now. So, the service is offline because it has just finished updating. Attempt to reconnect. See, the server will not be restarted. Now. So, I'll just go back to octopi.local. Okay, Octoprint is starting up. Over here on the console, it stays the same. Over here, it's still starting. Okay, yes, it has the unsupported hardware detector warning. I'll get a Raspberry Pi A+, maybe next time I'll go to Micro Center. So, yep, I'll just, slide it over. Just get it off. Okay, so this is what you would see if the Pi is not connected to the 3D printer. You'll have to use one of these cables to plug it into your 3D printer. So right now, you can just do the serial port to auto and baud rate to 115200, or you can just do auto. 115200 is what I heard that is good. So how you set up is that if I just here, printer profiles, this is what I set up last time. So I can edit and name Ender 3, and the model is Ender 3, no space. Do not add the space or else it might get errors. Print bed, my Ender 3 is 202 mm, 202 and 250. And also, the Ender 3 is a really good 3D printer. I'm not really advertising this or something, but I just personally think the Ender 3 is great. So over here, there's a lot of features, but right now we don't need it right now. Only thing we also need temperature. So we're using PLA right now. I can erase the ABS because I really don't need it. And the extruder, let's turn it to 200 because that's what I usually do. 200. The bed is going to be 50 because that's also what I normally use. You can also use 60 because that's a default, but I like to use 50 because it works for me. Right now it's saving, and after it's saved, this is what you get. Like, this is the temperature scale, the control. Well, right now I don't have a webcam. I can add a webcam, but not right now. Though, see, the webcam screen not loaded. The G-code viewer, terminal, and time lapse. The G-code viewer is what you use to get on, like upload a 3D view of your 3D model. So what you do, you can just upload, and let's see, just do 3D printer files, and I'll just do cat. Over here, it'll stop uploading. My SD card has 128 GB, and you can use a lower amount if you want to. Uploading. And saving. Okay. So, I can upload it to this list. Oh yeah, I can't print yet because I'm not connected. But when it starts printing, which I will cover in the next episode, you can, oh, that won't do anything. You can see the 3D model over here. The terminal, which shows everything. And just don't surpass anything, because or else if there's any status messages or temperature messages, you won't see it. So for the time lapse, you can do off right now, but you can also, if you want to do timed snapshot interval, I can just do 10 seconds, FPS 25, post roll. The 10 seconds is like kind of like really fast, so it kind of means 1 frame every 10 seconds. That's the normal if you want to see a time lapse of your 3D print like flowing up, but I will just turn it to off. So yeah, this is it for this episode, and yep, I can also shut down system, reboot system, restart Octoprint, and restart Octoprint in safe mode. That's all for this episode. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.